Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to swap two numbers using double assignment in Python. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to write the program, we are going to use VS Code, but you can use any IDE of your own personal choice. So let's quickly move to VS Code. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. Now, firstly, let's understand how multiple assignment works in Python. So let's say you have to assign multiple variables in a single line, then that you can do in Python with the help of just this. So let's say we have three variables A, B and C, and you want to assign them values, let's say 10, 12 and 14. Now you can do in Python with the help of this single line itself, and the way is this. Now let's print it and see if it works. So we'll simply write numbers are, so let's give A, B and C, and let's run it and see it works. And boom, here you can see that the numbers are 10, 12 and 14. That means these are working. So similar logic we will apply in this particular program of swiping. So first of all, let's take user input of two numbers which needs to be swapped. So let's have those user input, and we know how to do that. So let's give the comment as enter first number, and similarly let's take the input for another variable and let it be B, and let's also change the comment. Now we are aware how to do multiple assignment, so the similar logic we will apply for swapping, and that is A comma B is equals to B comma A. So if you look onto this very closely, then you will see that we are basically assigning the value of B to A and that of A to B. Now let's print it, and let's print it in a more clarity fashion. Numbers before swapping are A comma B, and let's print it after once it has been swapped. So let's write after swapping are this. Now let's print it and see it's asking me to enter the first number. Let it be simply 100, and let the second number be 200, and boom, here you can see that it's telling that the number before swapping is 100 and 200, after swapping is 200 and 100. So this is how we can swap two numbers in Python without the help of third variable, and that too with the help of double assignment in Python. I hope you understood the things very clearly, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to take it up as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.